Hello students, this is your science sir. Today we are going to learn about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Generally, if you observe a cell consists of different types of cell organelles. Based on the availability of the cell organelles, cells are divided into two types. One is a prokaryotic cell and another one is the eukaryotic cell. Let's go one by one. What does it mean by prokaryotes? The organisms which is having incomplete cells in them, they are known as prokaryotic cells or prokaryotes. Incomplete cell means they may be contains some organelles only. They may not contain some organelles also. Especially these prokaryotes do not contain any nucleus in them. It means that they contains the nucleus material, but they do not contains nucleus membrane around them. Generally, this nucleus contains genetic material. This genetic material is being surrounded by a membrane. This membrane is known as nucleus membrane. Nucleus membrane protect the inner genetic substances, that is nothing but either DNA or RNA in them. But when come to these prokaryotes, this nucleus material do not contains any nucleus membrane, so this genetic material will be mixed up with this cytoplasm. So together it is called as nucleoid. Nucleoid means nucleus material will be present, but it doesn't contain any nucleus membrane, but this nucleus material will be mixed up with this cytoplasm. The entire this structure is known as nucleoid. So especially nucleoid is present in prokaryotic cells only. And these prokaryotic cells do not contain any mitochondria in them also. So mitochondria is a very important structure for all living being cells. But in a prokaryotic cells, we cannot find out any mitochondria in them. In other hand, we can find ribosomes and some other cell organelles in them. These also will work like a eukaryotic cells. Example for these prokaryotic cells are archaebacteria, bacteria and cyanobacteria. The earlier these are all called as blue-green algae. Now let us understand about eukaryotes or eukaryotic cells. You know, if you observe this eukaryotes or eukaryotic cell, it is same like a prokaryotes, but there is a little difference between them. So one is these eukaryotes consist of all types of cell organelles in them. Second one is these eukaryotic cells, especially we can find a clear nucleus in them. It means that the nucleus contains genetic material as well as nucleus membrane also around them. This nucleus membrane protect that genetic material, and it resembles with clear structure. So that's why eukaryotic cells consists of clear nucleus. Based on this, we can say that eukaryotic cells. And one more difference is these eukaryotic cells contains mitochondria, and these eukaryotic cells having all types of other cell organelles in them. Even though these prokaryote cells and eukaryotic cells are having a little difference, when come to the functionally, these both are works same. Let us go and understand the differences between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are generally too smaller than eukaryotic cells, and when come to the eukaryotic cells, they are little larger than prokaryotic cells. And the difference in the prokaryotic cells is nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cells. Nucleus absent means it doesn't contain any nucleus membrane in them. That's why we cannot find a clear nucleus in prokaryotic cells. When come to the eukaryotic cells, the nucleus is present and clearly we can see because of it is surrounded by the nucleus membrane. And come to the next one, prokaryotic cells contains a single chromosome, but eukaryotic cells consists of double bonded chromosomes. When come to the prokaryotic cells, the nucleus is absent in them. The eukaryotic cells, nucleus is present in them. Prokaryotic cells, membrane bond cell organelles are absent. In eukaryotic cells, membrane bonded cell organelles such as mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. are present in eukaryotic cells. And come to the prokaryotic cells, cell division takes place by fission or budding in them. But eukaryotic cells, cell division takes by mitotic or meiotic division in them. These are the differences between prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cells.